The real OG. What's happening, dude?
Look who's
I
back.
can see you've got something new there for us today.
This is one of our latest 2023 laptops for gaming. We've got the ROG Strix 18.
What's so special about this one?
Well, what can I say? Decked out performance, beautiful visuals, an amazing GPU, and incredible cooling.
So what is so special about the cooling?
So with this one, we've got the ROG intelligent cooling. So basically it has 7 heat pipes to make sure that the heat dissipates properly. It's got the tri-fan technology. So it's got 3 fans, 2 fans on the side, and then 1 to make sure that your GPU and video RAM stays cool. And cherry on the top, the conductor knot liquid metal cooling on the GPU and CPU to keep those temperatures down.
What's different in the lighting and the hard case and the weight?
This does have a little bit of weight to it, but that's because it's just completely stacked with so much of performance components that's going to give you the best of gaming performance. This one comes with Intel's latest i9-13980HX processor, which has 24 cores and 32 threads. As for the graphics card, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 with NVIDIA Advanced Optimus, and it's going to dish out some of the best graphics you'll ever see.
What about the display?
Oh man, you remember last time when we spoke about the Zephyrus M16, I mentioned the ROG Nebula display?
I do.
Well, this one's got the same technology, but we ramped it up. So it comes with a QHD screen and a 240Hz refresh rate. It's Pantone validated and has a TUV Rhineland blue light filter, which helps keep it easy on the eyes. And a slight little bump, this time we've gone with an 18-inch screen, which means a bigger display for you to see all the little nitty-gritties of all the games that you play. It's gonna look incredible.
So what are you going to test run tonight?
Well, I'm actually going to test out Dota 2 on this laptop because I really want to see how the 4090 performs and just how incredible the refresh rate is going to be. But if you want to know more about this beautiful laptop, check out our websites for more information.